Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Sroth Consultech, which is into business consulting, helping small and medium businesses to grow. In this initiative called as Hatke, we're talking to various business owners, various individuals, various creative personalities, individuals who have made their mark on various fields. So today we have Shailesh Chaudhary, architect Shailesh Chaudhary, who has marked his own dent over a period of last around 25, 30 years in this space, won a lot of awards. So Shailesh, we are honored to have you on this platform.
Yes, thank you, Shirish, and good evening, everybody. First of all, I want to congratulate Shirish. This is a wonderful initiative you have taken. And in this pandemic, since everybody is uh, not into his business in full functionally, so this Hatke, I think it's a great to inspire them and to motivate them. It's a hats off to you.
Wonderful. I think that's nice words for me. Thank you. It's about spreading positivity, an attempt small
Exactly, exactly.
our side, from our side.
Right, right, right.
Good, good.
Even me also, I'm very much positive always. I
Hmm.
keep myself positive every time. And since I'm architect, the lot of recessions are going on in construction industry. So many people ask me, "अरे ये तो बहुत मंदी चल रहा है. So how will you survive and a lot?" And I always tell, this is a temporary situation.
Hmm.
Soon it will be over. Even from last year, I was talking with many of my clients and everybody. Eh, this happens with every business or any activity, even the share market also. The ups and downs it's a part of our life.
Hmm.
So, and I see many opportunities are there already. The things are happening everywhere. So, and they never get nervous or something there. So one of my client when he called me, he just asked कि यार मैं अभी 15-20 लोगों से बात किया, but you are the only person who told me the positive things.
I think it's paramount importance to
Right,
take a look at situation in an optimistic way
correct, correct.
and derive opportunities and benefits out of it. I believe this is
Truly,
the time that you have where it's a vacuum, right? There is nothing. There is no revenue. There is no sales. There is no movement. There is no
right, right,
customer. There is nobody expecting your calls.
correct,
So
exactly.
Shailesh, how last 2 months have gone for you? How did you manage to engage yourself?
Uh, yeah, I think I'm the most happy person, I think, in these 2 months because so many things are there to explore. Uh, Actually, since I'm architect, we design many buildings and structures. So even if we design very creatively or beautifully, the one thing is common in the entire world for this construction industry, that is the foundation. Unless and until the foundation is strong, the building cannot be stand. So in our first year of architecture, our professors taught us that how foundation should be take care of and how strong you can make it. So I think same is apply with everybody's life also. Unless and until we make ourselves strong, then only you can survive in any business or any kind of activities. So I personally feel you should be strong enough, or you increase your physical and mental strengths both way uh, through, I think, exercise, diet, and meditation. So in Marathi, you can call it Trisutri, the Ahar, Vihar, and Vikar. So, sorry, Vichar. So if you balance that everything, then you always make yourself very strong enough to withstand any calamities. So I think this is one pandemic. We have learned so many things, but in future may another will happen. So uh, it's very important to strengthen yourself. So I think this is the best time you got to work on that all aspects.
So it's basically finding yourself
Right,
in a
right.
different way,
Correct, correct.
different dimensions that you might have not explored,
Right, right.
that you might have not done, right?
So I think there are so many things I actually write down in my notebook. Every time, whenever I get time, I used to write, "Ki, this is I have to explore." So many things couldn't get the time in your daily routines,
Mm-hmm.
so they keep on pending.
Mm-hmm.
So I enjoy actually. I'm a foodie person, so I enjoy all kind of different foods.
Wow. Mm.
So now I think almost uh, I explore so many dishes, and I prepared well more than 20-25 dishes in this period.
Oh, mm-hmm.
And generally, I post it on my different groups, or even the taste with all the family. Family is the biggest actually hit.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody appreciated that, even taste wise and
Okay.
his look wise. So that one is there. Uh, Music is my passion. But I never sing, but I listen. So
Excellent.
that is also going on. So many music I'm just exploring. I tried in the 6 months back. I just learned to play keyboard. So
Oh,
I'm practicing that also whenever I get time. Slowly, I'm learning that. Then meditation is my one of the favorite aspects. I'm doing from last 25 years.
mm-hmm.
Not 25, I think since my college days. It's almost 30 days, 30 years.
Mm.
So more and more I'm getting deep into that.
Okay.
So in this pandemic, I got opportunity for the Vipassana course.
Oh,
So I did that also. It was not fully, but a daily 2 hours was there. So I
okay.
got that to learn more
Amazing.
aspects on this meditation. Then reading, that is my one of the passions or close to heart. I have so many books are there. So many books actually I've bought and just kept it as it is. The Dekhte Age of Time Milega will read it. And now I got this so many days. So I've
Mm.
read actually so many books, point out my notes and everything. And this is the book almost, it is completely full with my all notes and everything.
Wow.
So I think I'm going to publish it with
Oh,
my book, and that is one of the desire I have. So I think it is about the human lifestyle and all that. So let's see
wonderful,
in
wonderful,
future.
wonderful. I think, Shailesh, you would have not got time to do anything else. Time would have been less for you in these last 2 months, right? Uh,
Yeah,
so many things that,
yeah, so many things,
yeah.
so many things. So I sometimes wonder when people say, "Are kya ye 2 mahina to pura bore gaya," or nothing was there to do. I surprised. So many things are there, and you hardly notice that.
I mean, so many years that we have spent, we might have not taken a week of
Exactly.
leave in continuation.
Correct,
People
correct.
who are passionate
Actually,
about the work.
this is I think for everybody, this break was needed. This is actually gap. It's just a correction, you can say. Uh, it's everybody actually desperately need that. Even all humans, the birds, animals, the nature, and this is a good time they got to. Uh, you can just explore with nature, be close with the nature, find this freshness, the unpolluted environment,
Mm.
and tune yourself or synchronize with nature, because you hardly get such time, I think, in your life. The entire thing was closed, and everything, as well as everything, is open in nature. So I enjoyed that also. The early mornings, the sunrises, the bird songs, everything.
Superb, superb. So, looking at the way that economy stands, I think real estate has been going through ups and downs with
Right.
all these global changes also, like demonetization for that matter. RERA that came in,
RERA.
right?
Right,
So
right.
do you see that as part of standard changes going towards positive thing? And did that help or not help in this current situation, either you for or for the real estate industry?
I think actually I'm not a developer or a builder.
Mm.
So from their point of view, maybe their aspects or views are different. But what I think sometimes you have to get through this channelized system.
Mm.
Uh, Unless and until you have strictly follow the rules and regulations, it is always actually beneficial for normal people.
Mm.
So
So
it's good, I
it's
think. And slowly, I think everybody will almost now they are used to all these things. Get rid of that.
so it is a must to have this kind of structure.
Yes,
Like,
yes,
it is
absolutely.
like equal, like it is not
Exactly.
given by one side or one powerful side which will kind of
Right, right.
you know
Correct, correct. For
bulldoze on.
demonetization, I think I'm not the expert for that. And
But did
many
it hit?
economists has his different views.
I know, no. I'm not getting to the controversies, but I'm trying to ask you, whenever that change happened, did it impact you as a business? Vscape as a business.
No, actually, I don't think so. See, our clientele is very different, and we are not dependent on certain or
Types of.
specific industry or something that only builders or only some specific clients. So in our portfolio, it is a vast portfolio that almost everything we have covered. So once get down, I think other is up. So I don't think so is any
Wonderful.
problematic.
I think it's a very matured and composed way that you're saying, yeah, yeah, bag is full of different
Yeah,
size of balls,
right, right.
different types of clients. So and also skills and offerings. So if
Correct,
not
correct.
this, I'll pick this. If not this,
Right,
I'll
right.
pick. Right? That's
And
the comfort I'm
almost
seeing. Yeah.
exactly. And almost in this now it's almost 24 years we are practicing.
Mm.
So so much of experience is there. Our designs are different. They have already stand out in market. So I don't think this is a fear or some negative aspect or some competition threat. We have already acquired.
I believe, as I'm speaking to you, it is state of mind, actually. It is a state of
Right.
mind to not get impacted. So
Exactly.
if you're saying we elevate ourselves up, then all these small things do not matter, right?
Exactly. Exactly. You know your self belief and confidence, then you can survive in any situation.
Excellent, excellent. Now, I am likely to see. I'm just going to ask about this. That many of the businesses have used this opportunity to marketing, building brand, changing the face of the brand.
Mhm.
So, do we see a Vscape taking different shape? Any new phase?
uh, Not so rigorously, I think,
Hmm.
because I personally don't feel comfortable in this virtual world. So
Okay,
I'm a person to be associated with people,
right.
to be with in nature,
Connected with. Okay.
because most of the works is on sites.
Mm-hmm.
So unless and until we go physically there,
Mm-hmm.
things never happen. So we cannot work like a IT people or something to sit
Right.
in one place and on computers and everything. But for this situation, everybody has to change some aspects. So the Zoom meetings, the digital media, we are now used to it, and whenever it's required, we already are doing.
Right, right.
But I personally feel we humans
Should
are
be.
likely to be uh, designed for social activities, and we want to meet people. We love to
Right,
hug.
right.
We love to shake hand. So that bonding is different.
I know.
It
So
never happens with virtual world.
that's something that you would be missing quite a
Right,
lot,
right, right.
right? So,
And you don't know. Suppose in tomorrow something happens with the entire internet or
mm,
the things we are going through this all this. Then there's a miserable situation, I think,
it
if
is a catastrophe.
entire internet fails. So at that time, what will do?
Mm,
So you have to prepare with all the such a kind of disasters.
Right, right,
If you are mentally stable and all that, then only you can get through it.
right. Yeah, I was coming to other aspect where did we use this time for changing face of Vscape in the sense of different logo or different type
Yeah,
of
yeah.
things,
I
right?
was about to come in there.
Okay.
Yeah, because we personally the design and 3D drawings and everything that is already going on with our staff and everything. We share with our clients on phone calls and generally
Mhm.
we discuss. So that activity is already going. I think when email actually came into existence, I think that is almost in. We are used to that for 95 or something. But
Mm.
since then, we are already doing this. Many of our clients are in US, UK, Dubai, Australia. So from that time also, we are through mails and everything was sharing and everything is going on. So still it is continued now. And more focus on this situation, I got opportunity to work on our entire presentation skills,
Mhm.
the presentation style, our logo. For so many days it was pending. I could not get the time to derive that. So I can concentrate on that and now finalize everything. This is our new logo based on the Fibonacci golden
Or
ratio.
is it okay?
Yeah, that is the nature's law. So it's derived from that. It's some interesting stories that. So
So it's
I could
basically a
achieve
spiral,
that.
right? It's spiral
Yeah, yeah.
go,
There are certain numbers on that the nature pattern grows.
right?
It's a natural phenomenon.
And it is basically showing the growth multiple,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right?
So I'm happy that I could get that finalization in this period. And now I think that style will reflect in all digital media, right from our website, the
Okay.
Insta, the Google, and everything. So uh, I think that is the main achievement for me because so many days it was pending. Just I was getting इसके बाद करेंगे पहले ये करते वो करते because in our daily routine the client meetings, the site visits, and other things going on regularly.
So
You
you get
hardly get time for that.
so much absorbed into operations,
Yeah, yeah, true.
right? But as I have seen, many architects reach to that level that they would like to get the work done by somebody, some people,
Correct.
and I find that you are always connected and you are always creative, you are hands-on, and each design that you have, you find a love into it, and
Right.
right.
That is the main passion. Design actually. Uh, I can say I breathe design. I eat design. I think design. So unless and until I finalize myself or convince myself, I never let it. Either on our sites also, or even if our right from the visiting cards also. I never finalize or I'm not comfortable to design my card or my things uh, from others because I know myself more
Mm,
vigorously.
mm. Actually, whenever we leave the normal life, we have our views, we have strong views, we have absolutely solid views, and
Mm.
there are areas in which we find people do not kind of align. So, do you find yourself kind of struggling or in trouble, or you don't care, or this is me? How does it work?
Uh, I think sometimes it's true because there is a certain philosophy behind every thought, or
Mm,
you can say in my so much days of life, years of life, or working style. I've
mm,
come to one conclusion, and
right.
I'm comfortable with certain people. So I work with a variety of clients, of variety of industries, and everything. So that sense is there that how to gel with some people. if you don't match your thinking level or level, then you can't interact it. So mostly sometimes your wavelength matches so much that you feel that this bond is very strong, and it is from so many years it is already there.
Mm-hmm.
So fortunately, I am surrounded with such people are more that my bonds are matched to them, and very few people I think which whom with which I don't change.
Right. Now, coming back to the new normal as such, where you will find people will be more careful while going to large gatherings, and maybe careful to really not get close. Also maintain that social distancing and sanitization and all that stuff. Do you think that that will impact the architectural design or the design dimension at the core somewhere, or is it a temporary phase as such?
Uh, I think it's a temporary phase.
Mm.
Soon it will get over. People will get back to their normal life very soon. And even if that used to be there for maybe a year or something, a minor design changes we can suggest to our clients, but not major. Mainly in the large offices or industries, because they have to follow certain norms. I think some precautions we have to take, or in some minor design changes.
Some provisions you might have.
Yeah, but I think it's too early to comment on that, because time will tell exactly what happened.
Mm. See, whenever you get a big project, say a mall to be done, I'm just taking one example.
Yeah, we are already doing.
Right. So, does that picture come in your mind, or how does it work? I mean, how does that design?
Yeah, for that, it's our basic philosophy of Vscape. I call it as a 5 eyes.
Eyes.
Yeah. So that 5 eyes are that eyes means eye. It can, you can say it eyes also. It's inspiration.
Okay.
Because whenever you get chance, or whenever some designs are there, first you get inspired with something, either with nature or some different things in your surroundings or many. So inspiration, then our imagination extends to that key, how we can derive such things. Then some innovation takes place in our design process. How do we different or creative we can make it. Then integration. Then all these process get integrated with each other, and we follow on some final designs. And then inception, the cohesive effect of all these on site. So our philosophy generally lies with all. For every design, it goes through these 5 eyes.
Yeah, so I was just going through, I think, one of the presentations you have, and each design, each kind of a creation was different. It was hutke from the earlier one.
Yeah. That's why I like your hutke, because we also follow that.
Yeah, it's absolutely.
Generally, we never repeat our designs because we keep every individual identity is there. Suppose I want to design house for you, then your identity should reflect from that. Okay. Because my thinking or my individual designs are very different. You may not be comfortable in that. Suppose I want to very raw finish and all that, and you like the colorful and different environment. So you may not like it. So generally we design according to the clients, keeping the new technology and new aspects of latest trends and everything. And it's some different identity or project for everybody. We generally never repeat. Even our color schemes and styles also, we never impose on clients.
Absolutely different. And I think we should keep that presentation out to everybody.
Yeah, right.
Color combination, the size, shape, flow. I don't know enough about,
Yeah. There are so many aspects of designing in architecture and interior design. It's right from your floor to the walls, to ceilings, to lights, and the materials. So n number of things are there. And unless and until that blend with each other, that desired effect you cannot get.
Right, right. So, do you find this kind of a eureka moment? कि yes, abhi ho gaya. Abhi it is ready. Is that something
Yeah,
that you always wait for before you say, oh, it's okay, done?
for almost every project.
Oh my God. So, I'm just asking this question.
Yeah, actually, it is from college days.
Okay.
Yeah, because in college, design was my favorite subject. Other theory subjects, and I was just
Secondary.
not so much of caring of them. So I was almost stood first in my all throughout the five years in design, and you can say from college level my design is very different than others. Suppose you take 80% of people design on some exactly on the parallel way, my design will be something different. So it is from college. I think I used to struggle with that. कि जब तक वो idea click नहीं होता, it never comes. And suddenly it comes and everything is immediately. So you can solve like a puzzle. Within 2 days, it is ready.
Superb. This takes me to a little bit of a different thought when you were saying that you build it for almost tailor-made, whatever that person is thinking. So that takes me to a little bit of a different parallel thought. Any actor trying to imitate, get into a new role, looks like he or she has to transform.
Correct.
So do you kind of do that to really get that person's look
Yeah,
out?
yes, you have to be.
Oh,
yeah, because in our design process, we spend initial maximum time with clients to understand their nature, their philosophy, or what exactly their likings and all that. And when we got that data, and then our process starts, how we can blend this data with our designs and integrate each other.
Right. And about the second part where you said that Eureka moment has to come for all. At times, maybe in films or movies or even in drama,
Right.
there are some writers, who take time. तो वो बोलते कि नहीं नहीं ये वो टाइम लगता है वो जब होता है तब होता है. Maybe in songs also.
That is perfectionist approach. That is actually sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad because sometimes it is time consuming. But end result is very different.
Right. But do you find some customers or some clients, do they have that patience or sometimes they lose their patience and say, शैलेश जो है वो दे दो.
होता है बहुत बार. Sometimes they are very keen about the timing.
They're eager, huh?
So they said, "क्या रे जल्दी खत्म करो." But I said them, wait, it is your big. I think it's not lifetime, but you can say any building or any structure or any suppose interior work, it lasts at least 10 to 15 years. So that much time, if you are spending in that surrounding or atmosphere, it has to be very comfortable and with very less drawbacks and all that. So we have to take care of each and everything. Right. Suppose one light is also wrongly I selected or choose. It disturbs you while working or something. So I think time is one of the aspects.
So you have to weigh time against perfection.
Yeah.
Ultimate Eureka moment. And
right. I more focus on final result.
Right.
So,
but if somebody gets maybe a little bit late, but gets this and then realizes it later, right, what would be the kind of feeling and compliments that he
was? Yeah, actually, many clients are there who initially has some HS ki are time pe nahi ho raha hai. After that final result, when they said wow or awesome, that itself they, and they recommend actually many their relatives or friends that this is the great. You can truly rely on this.
Right. Shailesh, Looking at various areas in which you got recognized, you won awards across maybe last so many years, maybe from the college days itself.
Right.
How do you look back and what's a recognition or award for you? How do you feel? What do you feel about it?
Yeah, I think everybody loves appreciation.
Mhm.
So it's a natural phenomenon. But sometimes I feel ki, uh, even of these awards are there, the client's appreciation or the आपण म्हणतो ना की त्याची पावती
Ah,
that is the biggest award.
त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावरनं किंवा
Yeah, that is the biggest award actually.
okay.
Otherwise, there are so many days. Previously, it was hardly 3-4 forums were there. Then you used to apply for these competitions and awards. Nowadays, I think every month there is a different award, different ceremony. So that is also, I think, like a marketing gimmicks or that. It's a part of some different. Yeah. Let's not talk on that.
Mm-hmm. So, meeting people, connecting with them, connecting with like-minded people, collaborating is something that might be something which is near and dear. So, do you think that is important from the business point of view to grow yourself and grow other businesses?
Yes, 100%. I think because now I think the present situation, if you consider, or even in this current world, collaboration, the networking is very important because you cannot reach so many people by yourself. So you need some network, strong network is there. You have to develop that kind of
Mm-hmm.
people. So I think collaborations and network is very important for any business.
Any new book or any new movie that you've seen which have given some good inputs for you to something that you want to share about anything that
I think so many books are there. Yes. I think recently I read one Carl Nightingale's book. So just see. I even noted that point.
uh-huh.
The Strange Secret. So just finished last week.
Okay.
It's a very good.
Good. So I think at bringing it to the next level.
Yeah. Well, one more small thing I just
Right.
want to tell in this pandemic or current in these 2 months, I could have found the new way of life, and I'm trying to follow that. That is minimalistic lifestyle.
Okay.
So everything minimum is always good, I think. So if you breathe minimum, then you can extend your life. It's a natural way.
Mm.
The more you breathe faster or that, then your life gets shorter. So minimum breathing, maximum life. Then minimum food, maximum health. So minimum expenses, maximum savings. So it applies everywhere. Minimum requirement, maximum easiness. Then minimum media, maximum output. So try to get away from the media. Then maximum distraction, minimum distraction, then maximum concentration,
Wonderful.
or minimum criticism, maximum appreciation,
Mm.
and even in entertainment also. थोड़ा entertainment ठीक है, but continuously if you are engaged into that, it's not good. So minimum entertainment, maximum betterment, and lastly the minimum attachment and the maximum enlightenment. That is for your lifetime goal.
Oh,
So I'm trying to follow that now and working on that. How can go further?
the last one is pretty heavy, right? I mean,
Yeah. But if you are in the meditation or spiritual way, then I think it is not so difficult.
Good. So one more dimension that I wanted to touch is, see, certain people say that if we think, if we write it down, if we put our thoughts firm about what we want, then that comes true. Many have that belief. So
Yeah,
do you think
right.
that's something that even you practice, where whatever
Yeah,
you
I
like,
think
you want to get
that works.
right?
That works because I myself I can very much appreciate, or you can say, I already followed it and I achieved it
Okay.
in my life. Uh, I generally keep my targets for 5 years. Every 5 years, I want to achieve this goal and everything. And if you follow that from your heart, you get it. That is 100% sure. For many people, I always say, you just follow it with your true mind, then you can get it. See, for I say that your mind should be very pure. So purity of mind and clarity of thoughts, if it is
That's it.
balanced, you can achieve it.
Super. So one more, maybe a little bit hatke question. It is about young Shailesh, maybe just come out of college and maybe have started business or thinking about business or whatever. Looking at the current Shailesh, what would that small Shailesh say or ask or demand or command or say you have done this right, not right, this you have achieved, not achieved. तो क्या बोलेगा?
Uh, I think वो बोलेगा, you are on the right path. Whatever I dreamed is
So you're doing it right.
almost all you achieved. But I think life journey is too far. I think
Mm,
many of the things yet I have to finish it and I have to achieve.
right.
Uh, yeah,
So Shailesh, I believe you seem to have a kind of a rounded personality where you have the creativity, you have connects, you have business acumen, you have stability, you have thought process, and there is one more dimension called as social, right? Which is another something that is near and dear to you.
right.
So how do you manage it with the businesses in hand?
For social, I think my wife Vaishali, she's I think desperately,
She's
or
behind it, yeah.
her, that is her passion.
Mm.
So even though she's architect and she's partner of mine, BSK,
Hmm.
and balancing with this architecture, she is doing her social work or something. So I think that is a incredible hats off to you, because my focus more is on design and creativity, and I'm totally engrossed in architecture. But she balances the home front, the our
Social.
professional work also, and this social work also. So she's doing a lot of work for Human Milk Bank. Then currently she's doing for some new idea that is
Hmm.
some related to NICU, premature babies and all
Okay.
that. So even in this pandemic also, I think she has visited so many hospitals
Mhm.
and taking care of that NICU children.
So good. Actually, what I could get out of the discussion is definitely one has to have strong base of thoughts as an individual.
Yeah,
Again, that translates into you building your business that strongly,
true.
having that principles and fundamentals so strong, clear. I think the words that you used is have clear thoughts
Yeah,
and a clear mind,
yeah,
pure mind, purity
your
of mind.
mind.
That is a killer combination.
Yes,
And one more dimension, as we discussed, was write it down what you want. Be clear
correct.
on it, and
Yeah.
you will achieve.
Actually, I can tell everybody that you keep one small diary or book with yourself, and whenever you think, just write down that point, because uh, generally many thoughts you come across every day. I think that scientific research is there that 60,000 thoughts are there in per day for every. It's impossible to remember all that. And so when you strike something, just write it down, and at the night time you just elaborate it in your way. That also helps a lot.
So one more thing that nature might have tried to give, and I believe that is not required for a personality like Shailesh, but to be humble, and have that sense of gratitude.
Yeah.
That the Mother Nature has given so much to us. And
Exactly. You should be grateful to everything, I think, right from this earth, this planet, the environment, your parents, your family, your friends, everybody.
Wonderful. So, summing it up, any kind of message, Shailesh, is there for individuals who have not reached to that level of maturity of thought, maturity of how to handle this kind of situation. So anything that you want to add on to that?
Not message, I think, but only thing, this is the way you can develop yourself. That first thing, you evaluate yourself. What are your positives? What are your negatives? What exactly you want to achieve? What are your thought process and all that? And according to you, set your goals, so that I never follow anybody in my life, because I believe every person is different. Every person has his own capacities and something different. So just try to find out what is that different thing in you, and then follow it.
Wonderful. So I would like to thank Shailesh for the time that you've given.
Yes. Thanks a lot. This wonderful session. I enjoyed it.
For this insightful kind of discussions and shedding light on various aspects and dimensions of not only self, but your business, and also tagging it back to how it helps someone to be strong, not only individually, but the business phase also, to be coming out of this. And this is a temporary phase. Eventually, we can come back.
Exactly.
Thanks so much, and all of our best wishes for your individual success. All the bucket list items that you have,
yes.
dimensions of personality you wanted to explore.
Yeah, so and to you also. And I think you must have across with this more than, I think, 50 Hatke sessions with all individuals, almost very different personalities. So ये 50 लोगों का जो पूरा thinking है, so you're so much lucky that I think your bucket is now over full.
Right. So it is basically, I take all the interaction to be learning for me, because each and every individual has got their own way of thinking, their own profile, their own context, their own upbringing.
Right.
And it is all to learn. The questions are just tools to figure out, where things are the way that individual explains. So
true.
That's in fact, that is where I also enjoy these interactions. So
right. And I think you can publish a full book of that. Okay, what are the different reactions or thought processes of all the different personalities? I think that is where I think it will be very helpful for many of the people.
In fact, that's where you are capable of reading mind.
Yeah.
So I do have that something
great.
As a path to take. You're right. Correct. And a kind of concise way that we can have messages.
Exactly.
So that will be good and helpful.
Right.
So all of our best wishes to you and Viscape, Let Viscape, and the social dimension that you have with your wife along with you, grow and prosper and see the heights that you never imagined.
For you also, I think, Shirish. Same way you should progress, and I will be the most happy person to interact with you always.
Thank you so much.
Good.
Bye.
बिजनेस कोई भी हो, सक्सेस की नींव हम रखते हैं। बुलंदियों को छूने की आपके अरमानों की उम्मीद जगाती की जोत है, हर सपनों का हम स्रोत है। सही स्ट्रेटेजी, परफेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग और बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आपकी स्वप्न पूर्ति करते हैं। स्त्रोत कंसल्टेक, सिनर्जाइजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।